Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending July 11th, the major indexes were down slightly as tariffs and economic growth concerns were the usual suspects. We had minimal economic announcements last week. The Small Business Optimism Index remained steady in June, declining 0.2 of a point to 98.6, slightly above the 51-year average of 98. Wholesale inventories fell by 0.3% in May, and initial jobless claims dropped by 5,000 to 227,000 for the week ended July 5th. Year to date, the Dow is up 4.3%, the S&P is up 6.4%, and the Nasdaq is up 6.6%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.4%. Oil closed at $68.30 a barrel. Gold closed at $3,356.52 an ounce, with silver closing at $38.50 an ounce. For this week of July 14th, Tuesday we'll get the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, Core CPI, Industrial Production, and Capacity Utilization. CPI measures the average change over time in the prices paid by consumers for a market basket of goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. Wednesday, the Producer Price Index, or PPI, Core PPI, and the Fed Beige Book, which is a report on current economic conditions, will be reported. PPI is a measure of inflation on the wholesale level. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, retail sales, the Import Price Index, business inventories, and the Home Builder Confidence Index. And on Friday, housing starts, building permits, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, please give us a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.